the sunshine knocking on my door. Pack my bag and hit the highway. Can't sit still no more. Palm trees in the window, ocean on my mind. Leave my worries way behind, leave them all behind. Every single day I go to California. Every single day the Golden Coast is calling you. Top down, radio loud, feeling so alive. Every single day I go to California to thrive. Sand between my fingers, salt up in the air. Sunset painting purple skies, I haven't got a care. From the hills of Hollywood to the bay so blue, every road I'm running down is bringing me to you. Every single day I go to California. Every single day the Golden Coast is calling you. Top down, radio loud, feeling so alive. Every single day I go to California to thrive. Maybe in my dreams, maybe in my car. Doesn't even matter just how near or far. Close my eyes and there it is, that West Coast glow. California, here I come, you're the only place I know.